What's up YouTube, hello and welcome in new video. Ming-Chi Kuo revealed in his latest investor note that the Apple iPhones launched this year will miss out on periscope cameras and the under-display Touch ID. Before we start the video, don't miss to put a like and subscribe in our channel to have all the news. The analysts predicted that the long zoom lens might arrive next year 2023, while the fingerprint scanner is not making it until 2025. We are already stepping into April, meaning the new iPhone launch is about 5.5 months away. Since we are not getting a UD sensor or a periscope camera, what are we getting? Well, the iPhone 14 is coming with two punch holes, an improved main camera sensor, a thicker body, and the obligatory new chipset. However, Q previously stated the new iPhone 14 Pro Duo might be the only one in the 2022 flagship family to have the next generation of A16 Bionic chipset, while the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max might stick with the A15. The non-Pro models are also expected to not have ProMotion display, which is the fancy name Apple puts on all screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The reason is the manufacturer BO cannot match Cupertino demands for panels, and the iPhone company decided to scale down the orders. This is it, friends. This is the latest news about iPhone 14 series. Don't miss to put a like and subscribe in our channel to have all the news. Thank you for watching and get you on the next one.